Actually, I'm recording now.
Oh my gosh, Drew, here, get here.
I'm a genius. Hold on. What?
Drew, get my phone.
Hi, dog. I love you.
I love you too, man.
Watch this. That's a hell of a flash.
No, this.
I'm recording all this. This is cool.
Don't record this.
Hey, if we shoot 7 under, I'm gonna win like $500.
With Drew, you can't shoot
So,
7 under.
fuck
Probably
yeah.
7 over.
So fuck yeah, 7 under, bitch. I'm gonna win like $500 tomorrow. Mike Nelson. I hope you do, dude. I hope I do too. Dude,
Hey, man.
If
We
we,
just love this
hey,
motherfucker. Hey, what up, bro?
Hey, bro.
This fool's
bro.
gonna. Hey, this fool's gonna
Hey,
win that fucking
I'm gonna-
fight.
hey.
Hey, where you coming, Sucky? You win? Hey, just like.
I'm gonna fucking drop some putts in. I'm gonna drop some putts. Your fucking light is bright.
Hey,
Your light is
that
bright.
fucking light- I just farted real quick. Don't worry about that.
Michael.
If we drop down 7 under, we're gonna win like $500.
Get this picture.
Get this picture.
Hey.
You're taking a picture of us, Drew.
I'm just.
It's a video.
No, right here. Hey, if we drop 7 under, we're gonna win fucking $500. So fuck it.
Hey, we're fucking winning. Hey, you know what? Fucking Cowboys.
We don't give a shit.
Hey, fuck
We don't give a
Steelers
shit.
all the way, motherfuckers.
Go here, background! In the background!
What just happened?
No, I don't want to film you.
Hey, wait, Drew.
Get me and Drew!
This is a picture. But bitch, how do you feel about me putting
I'm
my
gonna beat
camera
this
in your
fool's
face?
ass.
How do you feel about it? It's not fun, is it? It's not fun. It's not.
I don't know what I did.
He's fucking filming us.
I don't want to be filmed.